Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a back to school nail tutorial. Very easy, nothing wow, nothing difficult. So to start, I have short coffin tips and I'm using atCitynailsbeaty gel polishes. I'm gonna be using color white, color black for this nail tutorial. And these polishes are very pigmented. If you are interested in buying some of these, you can get them on Amazon. You can also get it on atCitynailsbeaty.com. I have a discount code for you guys. It's on the description box. Also, everything it will be in the description box, including my social media links where you can guys follow me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you have that you would like to follow me, you can do it on there. There's all the links in there. So to start, I like to use a brush, and this brush came with a set that I purchased on Amazon, and it is amazing because doing it this way, you will take care of that cuticle area, so the gel polish will not get in the cuticle area all the sides, so it works amazing. And I don't know if you guys heard about the smoke look with black gel. I've seen some videos like that. This is how you can create it as well with a brush like this and just a little bit of gel polish, and you will get that beautiful smoke look with black, which is kind of popular now. I have seen it a lot. So these brushes are pretty nice. They came with a set of 5 of them, and you can even use them for polygel. That's how cool they are, and they are very cheap. I think it was probably like $3-4. I can't even remember, but they're pretty cool, and they have different sizes of the brush hair, so it's pretty amazing. And once I cover the nail with the brush, I would just go with the gel polish brush just to give that last brush. And because these gel polishes are so pigmented, you guys will see that only with one try I will be good to go. So I will place my hand in the lamp for about 60 seconds to cure that gel polish. And I'm going to repeat the same process with the white color as well. So I have cured the gel polish. This is how it looks. I did use a matte top coat on the black ones from atCitynailsbeaty because they need to be matte, which is this one here. And once I finish placing this matte top coat, I have to cure in lamp for about 60 seconds. Okay, so once I cure in lamp, I'm gonna use these liner gel polishes because I'm gonna use them to do some numbers. And I can use the brush, of course, but I feel like this brush is too short, and I feel like I have better control over a brush instead of using this brush that came with the gel polish. If it was longer, then it would be better to do like a French tip, but that's not the case. So I'm using this brush. This brush is also from Amazon, really cheap. So I'm gonna do like a number here and then a plus sign, pretty much to make it look like a chalkboard. Is that how you call that? The one that the teacher write the stuff. So it's very easy, guys. Nothing wow, nothing hard to do. Very easy. So let me know in the comment section, guys, do you like this type of videos, which they're very simple, maybe like some hand painting. I personally, like I told you guys on the last video that I draw the macaw, I love to do hand painting on nails, especially with acrylic brushes and acrylic paint and gel paint. I love it. I think I'm gonna bring more of that to my channel. Let me know in the comment video what you think about that. Of course, it's not gonna be anything that it's hard for anybody to do. It's gonna be just simple stuff, okay? And here, this stickers, guys. I show you guys I purchased these stickers. They are from the store Michaels, and these are flat stickers, so they're very easy to use for nails because they're just flat stickers. All you have to do is secure them, make sure they stick very well, and just put a top coat and they will not fall out of your nail or lift or fall. So this is how it looks so far. I repeat the same thing on the other white nail, just like that. And then for the big nail, what I'm planning to do is, you guys know those old notebooks that they sell, they're black with white dots. I think it's called composition books. So that's what I'm gonna do for the big nail. And once again, I'm using the same polish in color white, and I'm also using the same polish in color black, I mean the same brand. And I'm gonna go ahead and create a circle. I'm gonna create the square. I'm gonna create a square, and this is where my name or your name or whatever name should go in. So I'm gonna keep painting this nail, and I'm gonna show you something cool that I showed you guys on a whole video that I purchased. So we're gonna get to use them on this video. So in a whole video, guys, I show you that I purchased some markers, these ones here, and the person that I purchased them from, the nail supply store, stated that they can be used for nails. She also have a video on her Instagram showing how she used them, right? So I was like, I don't know. A lot of people told me they don't work, whatever. So I decided to purchase them, and today we're gonna give it a try. And to my surprise, they did work. Look at this. Amazing. They work perfect. And when I put my top coat, it was not like running over or anything. But one advice I will give you guys is don't buy these markers from the nail supply store or any internet website that sells them that is related to nail, because they will overprice them. Okay, if you want these markers, just go to Hobby Lobby, or you can go to Michael's store. You will find cheaper prices, same brand, same markers, different variety of color. They also sell the kits for these markers, and they're so cheap if you go to a craft store. I have seen them on Michael's, and I have seen them on Hobby Lobby. I would say go more to Hobby Lobby because they have a bigger section where markers are, and they have all kinds. They have watercolor markers, they have these ink color markers, so you can find them there, the same brand. So don't buy them from a nail supply store because you will end up paying a little bit more like I did. So to finish this look, guys, I'm going to use a top coat from atCitynailsbeaty, and I'm just making sure that the stickers are flat and everything, and I've just put the top coat, and you guys can see how the marker is not moving, not going anywhere. So they're pretty fun to do. I will try to use them more. If the design I'm doing requires writing and stuff like that, I will absolutely use them more. Let me know in the comments, have you tried the markers for nail art? I would like to know that. Please let me know. Also, if you have any suggestion for video, leave it in the comments. Any questions about the products, leave it in the comment. I'm always answering your questions here, Instagram, whatever you feel like leaving them. Don't forget to check my website. I put pictures up close of everything I do on YouTube. So what else I have to say? Oh, and I rearranged my little studio where I recorded videos. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video or organized video about that. Let me know in the comments. I can definitely do a video like that for you guys. And I will see you guys on my next video. Enjoy. Bye.